Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to access and use ChatGPT from Ethiopia. Right, so if you want to access and use ChatGPT in Ethiopia, you're most likely gonna get redirected to this page where you're gonna see that ChatGPT is not available in Ethiopia because OpenAI services are not available in Ethiopia currently. However, fortunately, there is a workaround to use in this case, and you're still going to be able to access and use ChatGPT from Ethiopia. And all you have to use is use a VPN service like ExpressVPN. I will link it in the description below, and you can check it out. And there are three main reasons why I would recommend you to try out accessing and using ChatGPT by connecting to an ExpressVPN VPN. So there are three main reasons. The first one is that ExpressVPN is one of the best VPNs on the market currently. You're going to be able to connect to any country with it basically, and you're going to be able to use ChatGPT without major technical issues. The second reason is that if you sign up for an ExpressVPN subscription, but eventually you don't really use ChatGPT anymore and you don't need a VPN anymore, then you're going to be able to cancel your subscription within 30 days and you can get all your money back. And last but not least, if you use the link in the description below, then this page will open up. Then you're going to be able to click on start your trial today, and you're going to be able to get 3 months off for free if you sign up for an ExpressVPN plan. So once you sign up for an ExpressVPN subscription, all you have to do is connect your computer to an ExpressVPN VPN and to any country where ChatGPT is available. So basically almost all countries in the world, so United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Australia, any kind of European country. And then you're going to be able to open up chat.openai.com, and instead of that screen that ChatGPT is not available in Ethiopia, you're going to be able to see the screen, welcome to ChatGPT, log in with your OpenAI account to continue. So if you haven't created a ChatGPT account yet, then you have to click on sign up here and create a ChatGPT account. If you have any kind of issue with the phone number, I also have another tutorial where I show you how to sign up for ChatGPT without a phone number. If you have already created a ChatGPT account before outside of Ethiopia, then of course you don't have to create a new ChatGPT account. Just click on login, add your email address and your password, and you're going to be able to log in and sign in into your ChatGPT account from Ethiopia as well. So all in all, this is how to access and use ChatGPT from Ethiopia using a VPN service like ExpressVPN.